This video is for English's Lit Circle Jobs Week 2. This is going to cover 7, 8, and bonus question number 9 for extra credit. So the first question is to ask a question and provide an answer. So from my most recent reading, I like to highlight again as I read just things that I notice. And so I noticed that they are talking about kind of some extra precautions in the annex, and who in the warehouse is a worker might be a problem, and that is here, Mr. Van Maren. So I'm going to put as a question, who is suspicious in the warehouse of meat? And the answer would be Mr. Van Maren. Pause if you need to copy down. For number 8, what is one conflict that you noticed from reading this week? So this could be person versus person, person versus self, person versus nature. I'm going to say person versus person. And I read that when Mrs. Frank, right here, on page 223, in this bottom paragraph, Mrs. Frank is talking to Dussel about his annoyances and how he had promised things, but then he never keeps them. So it was, sorry, I forgot the page number, 223. So 223, and the scene is where Mrs. Frank is talking to Dussel about his annoying behavior. Explain how this shows an example of the conflict. I think just being close together, people can become frustrated with others' actions, and Mrs. Frank lets him hear hers. Whoops, hear hers. All right, pause if you need to. And for the last one, which is bonus, we are looking for some type of figurative language example. So often it's always easy to look for like or as, or when you exaggerate something, which is a hyperbole. So I actually had a hyperbole, which is from that most recent scene on 224. And it's at the very top and bottom. So Dussel promised her the moon. Dussel promised her the moon, ... And so this, you can't actually promise the moon. So that was like a big exaggeration. All right, pause if you need to copy down. Make sure that you are turning this in, as it is due Wednesday night at 11:59, I believe. Have a great day.